Good morning, children. So, as we have read the lesson Rover's Hide and Seek, and it's a very easy lesson in which there is a dog Rover and he plays hide and seek with his master's children, Mary and Peter. And he enjoys the game with them, and they also enjoy the game with him. And in the end, it was discovered it was a cuckoo bird who used to speak cuckoo cuckoo, and it was not the children. So the whole story revolves around Rover's actions, what he does, how he behaves, how he could bring a newspaper, how he can toss the chocolates and biscuits in the air, and how adorable he is, and how everyone in the family likes him. Because when you keep a dog, he is the most adorable creature in your house. Why? Because they are very cute, they are cuddly, they are honest, they are lovable, and they are always beside you whenever you are either in trouble or in happiness. They are always with you whether you are happy or sad. So this was a story. Now today we are going to do present to past tense in the class for copy. Now I will speak the words, the present word or the past tense of it, or I will speak both. So you have to write present tense and past tense of that word. Now what is present tense and what is past tense, and which words are to be written in present and past? They are basically verbs. You know what is a verb? Verb is an action word, when you do some action. So the stories which you are reading or which you have already read, Rover's Hide and Seek, it is in the past. It has already been done. ये story हो चुकी है. So हम उसका present से past लिखेंगे. हर verb, हर action word जो present tense में है या वो past tense में है, हम उसका present से past में लिखेंगे. The first word which you have to write is can. Can. Number one is can. What will be the past tense of can? Could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. The present tense of can is could. The second word which you will write is will. Will. What will be the past tense of will? Would. Past tense of can is could. Will is would. Number 3 you will write hide. H-I-D-E. Hide. So what is the past tense of hide? Hid. Her either hid. Mary and Peter hid themselves. They hid themselves. वो सब छुप गए. कहाँ जाके छुप गए? कोई ट्री के पीछे छुप गया, कोई बुश के पीछे छुप गया, छुप गया, छुप जाना, छुप गया था, छुप गया. So that is hid. Number 3 is hide का past tense hid. Number 4 is shut. What is number 4? Shut. He did not shut his eyes. There is no shutted. There is no word shutted. Shut ka past tense is shut only. Shut ka past tense shut. Look. Now what will be the past tense of look? They are all verbs, beta. Whatever I am speaking, whatever I am telling these words, they are all action words. What is the past tense of look? Looked. When you put ed, it becomes looked. Number 6 word is yes. Number 6 word is go. What is the past tense of go? Tell me. Go. Went. Past tense of go is went. Number 7 word is want. What will be the past tense of want? Wanted. He wanted to take them to the zoo. वो उन सबको लेके जाना चाहता था. कहाँ पे? जू में. Want का past tense wanted. Number 7. Ask. What is the past tense of ask? Asked. Asked. ed लग गया, asked हो गया. Next word will be allow. What is the past tense of allow? Allowed. You'll have to put ed. Allow is also a verb. How? Dogs are not allowed at the zoo. Dogs school में allowed नहीं हैं. So, what is the past tense of allow? Allowed. Next is, what is the past tense of, number 10 word will be slip. What is the past tense of slip? Now slip is number 10 word. Slip मतलब चुपके से निकल जाना. अब slip का past tense क्या हो जाएगा? Slipped. SLIPPED. You always put double P in slipped. Next word will be number 11 word will be finish. Yes. What will be the past tense of finish? It will be finished. Again you have to put ed. Finished, finished. What is the past tense of scrap? What did he do? He scrapped the door. उसने अपने paw से उसको scrap किया, उसको scrap किया, मतलब दरवाजे पे scrap किया. Past tense of scrap is scrapped. You have to put ed. This is the 12th word. Number 13 word is find. Very good. Number 13 word is find. What will be the past tense of find? Found. Number 14 word will be cry. Yes. What is the past tense of cry? Cried. Now how do you write cry? CRY is cry. And what will be the past tense of cry? CRIED, cried. You will have to remove Y and put IED, cried. So this will be word number 14. Then after that, yes, what is the past tense of stand? Standed? No, stood. What will be the past tense of stand? Stood. This is the 15th word. Stand, stood. What is the past tense of hear? Heard. What is the past tense of hear? Heard. Heard is the 16th word. Then the 17th word will be, what is the past tense of trot? I told you a word trot. Trot means घूमना. Trotted. You have to write or trot, then TED, trotted. So this becomes your which word? 17 words. Trotted. And what is the past tense of reach? Reached. Which word? Reached. Very good. Then after that, what is the past tense of hold? I hold my suitcase. Yeah, I hold my books in my hand. I held my books in my I held my books in my lap or in my hand yesterday. So what is the past tense of hold? Held. This is 19th word. Then what is the past tense of listen? Listened. Again you have to put lots of words, you have to put ed in the past tense. Listened. Then What is the past tense of think? Think. How will you write think? THINK. Think. Think का past tense क्या होगा? Thought. 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 This is word number 21. Thought. What is the past tense of run? Ran. This is 22 word. Ran. And then what is the past tense of this was which word? 22. Yes, 23 word. 23 will be come. Yes, tell me. What is the past tense of come? Yes. Word number 24 is wag. Now what do you mean by wag? Wag again is a verb. It is an action word. So wag means hilana. Kisko hilana? Tail ko hilana. The dog always wags his tail. Now what is the past tense of wag? Wagged. You have to put double G. WAGGED. Wagged. And the last 25th word which I am telling you is matter. Doesn't matter. You speak, no? Doesn't matter. So what is the past tense of matter? Mattered. MA. Again you have to put double, there is double T in matter. Just when you write matter, there is always double T. MATTERED. So all these words, beta, they are in the book. They are in the lesson. We have already given the pages in your mobile in our videos, so you can search these words which I have already spoken. You have to write robbers, hide and seek on the top of the page in the classwork copy in the lines. Then you have to write present and past, and you have to put a line in between and write all these 25 words in your classwork copy. These are very important. These are all action words. These are verbs which have been given in past tense in the book, and you must know the past tense of all these words so that when you make sentences or when you write question answers, you are able to understand all these past tense verbs of the lesson. Okay? You want me to repeat? I can repeat, because I will not write. I will just repeat. First word. First word is yes, can, could, will, would. Second word. Third word. Third was what was the third word? Yes, tell me. Will, would, can, could. Then the fourth word was hid, hide, hid. Third was hide, hid. Fourth was shut. Fifth was look, looked. Sixth was fifth was look, looked. Sixth was go, past tense of go, went. Seventh was want, wanted. Eighth was ask, asked. Ninth was allow, allowed. And 10th was slip, slipped. There will be double P in slipped. Then 11th was finish, finished, finished. 12th was scrap, scrapped. 13th was find, found. 14th was cry, cried. 15th was stand, stood. 16th was hear, heard. 17th was trot, trotted. 18th was reach, reached. 19th was hold, held. 20 was listen, listened. 21 was think, past tense of think is thought. 22 is run, ran. 23 is come, came. 24 was wag, wagged. Again double G in wagged. And 25 was matter, mattered. So all these words were verbs, and verbs are always to be written in past tense in a story when the story is already been done. So I hope you have understood all the present and past tense of this lesson. And please write in your classwork copy very neatly in small alphabets, not with a capital alphabet, all these verbs, because they are not proper nouns, they are just verbs. And all these 25 verbs with their past tense you have to write in your classwork copy and submit it by today 3 o'clock. Okay? Nice, children. I hope you have understood the lesson. We will be doing question answers tomorrow, or we will be doing some fill-ups. Whatever I think will be suitable, I'll be giving you. And please read this lesson once again so that you get a fair idea about the things in these lessons. And can you tell me some questions? If I ask you some questions, just give me the answer in the voicemail. First is, what rover could do? What rover could do? Now whosoever will give me the answer first will get a smiley. Now what rover could do? You have to just tell me 2-3 sentences about it. Okay? And who were rover's friends? This is question number 2. Who were rover's friends? Question number 3. Was rover good at playing hide and seek? How can you tell? Was he good at playing hide and seek? You have to just give me oral answers in the voicemail. You don't have to write this. You have to write only present to past, what I have asked. Thank you so much.